Speak. This $9 automation tool replaces Zapier's $49 plan, but there's a credit trap nobody warns you about. B-roll, break time equals 300 ms make.com canvas with live data flowing between nodes. Make.com is a visual workflow builder. Break time equals 600 ms you drag nodes, connect your apps, watch data move in real time. Break time equals 600 ms no code. Break time equals 600 ms but that free plan? It's a trap. Break time equals 600 ms stick with me. B-roll, break time equals 300 ms make scenario with 10 plus branching nodes running, unlimited steps per workflow. Zapier hard caps at 100. Break time equals 600 ms make also gives you 84 zero actions. Break time equals 600 ms Zapier gives 25. Break time equals 600 ms you can loop through 500 orders in one scenario. Break time equals 600 ms Zapier can't touch that natively. Break time equals 600 ms still on Zapier? Drop your plan in the comments. B-roll, break time equals 300 ms split screen make versus Zapier pricing pages. Make core, break time equals 300 ms $9 a month. Break time equals 600 ms Zapier starter. Break time equals 300 ms $19.99. Break time equals 600 ms that's 55% cheaper at entry level. Break time equals 600 ms here's what nobody tells you about Make's free plan. Break time equals 300 ms 70% of apps don't support webhooks. Break time equals 600 ms make polls instead and charges credits on every single check. 15-minute polling burns 2,880 credits a month. Break time equals 600 ms before you process one order. B-roll, break time equals 300 ms make.com pricing page zooming into credit limits. Free plan, break time equals 300 ms 1000 credits, only 2 active scenarios. Break time equals 600 ms that polling drain killed my budget in 11 days flat. Break time equals 600 ms core is $9, 10,000 credits. Break time equals 600 ms AI modules cost extra credits on top of that. Break time equals 600 ms overages bill at 25% above your plan rate. Break time equals 600 ms hit overages before? Tell me in the comments. B-roll, break time equals 300 ms make.com complex 8-step automation running with Shopify, Airtable, Slack, WhatsApp. Make scores 8 out of 10. Break time equals 600 ms paying Zapier Pro at $49 with multi-step automations? Switch today, same power, 80% cheaper. Break time equals 600 ms building simple single-step workflows as a solo creator? Stick with Zapier. Break time equals 600 ms what automation tool are you running right now? Drop it below. B-roll, break time equals 300 ms aitoolspot.channel banner with subscribe animation, link in the description. Break time equals 600 ms subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.